And hi before you die. Here we are at one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to. Like, there's no one around, we got it for ourselves. We set up our tent, our hammock as well. We're going to stay here for the night, have a bonfire over there, barbecue over here, gonna sleep in the tent and have the sunset right over there. So it's gonna be an awesome day, an awesome night. Just 500 for the gear and 600 per day for a kayak, so that's quite cheap and a really nice thing to do. Like, there's no one around. We choose the place bound. And good morning. Right here, that's our old fireplace. And right here, that was the place where we first set up our tent. The water kept rising in the night and it was high tide, so yeah, the water got really close to the tent, and so we moved it and also the fireplace, and we struggled to fall asleep. And as you can see, our first safety barrier was gone in the morning. Now the water is really low and we are packing together and we're going to leave and head back to the guest house. It was kind of an adventure, but like always, every bad event is a good story in the end.